Scanned, clear for conveyor. Got it, moving batch. Next bin, scanning, loaded, flowing smooth. Last one, proceed to inspection.
Moisture levels are dropping in plot B.
I'll note it down, we should adjust irrigation.
Agreed, the sensor data is syncing now. This batch is looking good. The sugar content is high. Yes, I see. The consistency is excellent. Let's flag any with hollow hearts. The machine will catch them. Right. Next one is clear. Pressure holding at 5.8, increasing flow.
Confirmed, watching for buildup.
Line clear, no blockages.
Good, monitoring output.
Check the inventory levels on Station 3.
Got it, there's a dip in Sector B.
Reroute from Sector A, update the log.
On it. Ready for this one? Yep, bringing it in. Next one, same spot. Keep it moving, watch the line. Pallet ready for Zone B. Clear the route, forklift coming.
These look great today.
Yeah, the color is perfect.
Let's face these halves forward.
Good idea. Customers like to see the inside.
Exactly, looks inviting. Okay, that's the watermelon. Great, thanks. Here's my card. Thank you, have a great day.